Oh yeah, I didn't do this right. I get trying to be an influencer and a pretty girl. I can't be a pretty girl. I'm a boy. I am a jock. Know your role, Kennedy.
Nobody else supposed to do that. You know, your stuff like that.
I used to take myself out on dates, open my own damn doors, pay for everything on my plate. Sometimes I'd even get.
Okay, she showed up, y'all. Let's see how she's looking. I'm scared. Okay, let's look at it. Okay, thanks for the zero in. Okay, it's the whole way across. Wow, time to watch some videos. It's the same color. I got the same color as, of course, what I have now because I love the blonde. But yeah, oh, okay, let's get into it. All right, guys. So here's my frontal that I just bought. It came in like last week or something. I don't know. This is how it looks, and I'm about to bleach the knots. What is that? I have no clue. We're gonna do this together. Let me show you the stuff I got at the hair store. I'll put it on because look at me. I'm a little mad because I got 16 inches and it actually came 16 inches. My wig needs to be washed, but it was supposed to be 16. Look at this. Look at how much longer it is. So I'm really pissed. The past 2 wigs I've gotten from them, Beauty Forever, have not been 16. So I was like, no. I got all my good stuff, my goods. Document this journey. Like, who the heck am I? I don't know, okay? I'm kind of scared. This is the new bonnet I got. This is the same one as my purple one, but I don't know where my purple one went. She probably... I like the purple color better, but it's pink on the inside of this one. I didn't want to... They said, when I was looking at the video, I need to spray some Got To Be spray on her. On here. Bro, I'm pissed off. They really sent me like a 12 inch. This is 14 inches, baby. They said to make sure that I don't change the color of the hair, I need to use my Got To Be spray first as a barrier. It's done. To me, it's done. They said do it like that so that way the bleach won't get to the hair. It's a barrier. It's a barrier. Got my gloves, child. I was about to buy some bleach from Walmart, you know, like for your clothes. I'm just playing. I ain't that stupid. I'm not. All right. I bought these little packs, you know. I thought I was supposed to just put water in it. Apparently you don't do that. This is 40 something, y'all. Ain't no going back now, Kennedy. Let's say a quick prayer. Amen. God, please let me do this right. God, please, it's my first time. I'm scared. God, I'm so scared. I wish the hair was black, and if it was black, then, you know, I could just re-dye it just straight black, but it's not. It's a blonde, brownish wig. God, help me. God, please be with me right now. I'm nervous. God, I'm so nervous. Stop touching it, Kennedy. I think I got it. You know. Ooh. I think I did it wrong, y'all. I'm gonna let you sit for 30 minutes. God, please make a miracle out of this. You know I'm trying this out. You know I'm new. You know I don't know nothing about doing my hair. I'm trying to be independent and I'm trying to be an influencer. Okay, well, I look fat or something. I don't know, I just look goofy. Oh, she needs some water. My bunny's thirsty. Stop. Okay, I don't think I did it right. Oh my God, I'm scared. I'm about to take it off. I can't. I can't do it. It's going through to the other side. The barrier did not work. I repeat, the barrier did not work. How long has it been sitting? I can't breathe. 5 minutes? Yep, I'm taking it off. I'm sorry. I shouldn't have did it on the head. I was listening to another girl's video and then I watched the other girl's video originally and she was like, whatever, it doesn't matter. The point is I should have did it this way. Okay, baby, okay, let me put my gloves back on, child. I don't need nothing happening to my beautiful chocolate skin. Yeah, I'm about to have an anxiety attack. I'm glad I didn't take my Adderall today or else I'd be so anxious. I'm gonna be an influencer and a pretty girl and I can't be a pretty girl. I'm a boy. I am a jock. Know your role, Kennedy, know your role. Okay, Okay, I'm done whining. I'm sorry. Okay, it's not that bad. I'm gonna let it get to 10 minutes. It's been 7. Once it gets to 10, we'll go upstairs. Bro, I'm ugly. Okay. I think I did it right. That's as close as it's gonna get. Okay. I don't want to keep cutting it too much and messing it up. Now I need to go finish watching my video. I think now I forgot what I'm supposed to do. So let me just go watch my video, okay? I'm so scared. At this point, I don't really care. I don't care, whatever. Okay, no, this is still wet. Wait. She gonna have to do it today. What the heck was that last, Kennedy? Nope, not gonna work, because look, you can see that. Come here. My camera, come here. It's not done. Why would y'all go now? Okay. Oh, I'll take it away. Yes. Can you come here though? Okay. Okay, hold on 1 second. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm sure you're like, Kennedy, we know, honey. It's quite evident. Who's gonna be this close to me? No one. I don't go anywhere while I go to work, but they're not going with the program. I'm just gonna cut it off. Okay, what am I doing? I don't know.
To avoid that bald cap method as much as possible. And on big forehead definitely has its pros with frontal.
You called me, look. I tried to put my wig on.
What you gotta do? What do you do? Cut that shit off or what?
Yeah, I gotta glue it down. I gotta cut it, child. I don't know what I'm
You
doing.
do that every time?
This is the first time when you first get a new one. This is a frontal though. So you're supposed to like a scalp. You should,
I thought somebody else supposed to do that.
you should see. Look at how I look. It's the ball cap that fits. Okay.
How you gonna look? You gonna fuck your stuff up, man? Why you don't have nobody else do it for you? How your sister do it?
I might have my mom come cut it off.
How long do you keep the wig on for?
Okay, so I'm about to use this glue. This glue actually, it's supposed to be the best glue. I've kept mine on before for like 2 months. If it's glued on right. So, and that's when I was running track.
They don't know what you're gonna do when pull your hair. You would guess who I seen, Daddy.
Who'd you see? Why y'all always out at the bar?
I told you, I belong to the streets.
Mom.
Who was that was just about you?
My mom.
Oh, she couldn't say hi. Hi.
I did. That's why I did like this, man.
I ain't see it now. She said she needs you to help her cut her wig. Hi.
Where you going? You gotta change.
I told you I'm going to the streets.
You just left the streets.
Oh, they missed me.
Okay, I need to figure out I'm putting my glue. I had to put my glue on. I'm scared. He canceled my birthday trip. Like, he's on some bull.
Yeah, you didn't play your cards right with him.
Hell, I ain't did nothing.
Man, you knew your role, man. Stop playing.
No, he mad at me because, you know when I was out that night and I told you I went to see...
Yeah.
He got mad.
What shoes should I wear tonight?
What you wearing? Let me see the fit. Don't wear the McLarens or whatever they was called. Don't wear them.
The McQueens?
Don't wear them.
Why can't I wear them?
Out. Somebody gonna mess them up.
Look, if you just had a professional do it, you wouldn't have to go through all this.
Oh, this is what you're talking about? Why you get a white girl? I'm done. Child, look good. Period. Okay, so listen. I'm trying to play my cards right with this one dude, right? Like,
Ooh.
I can't tell you.
Oh, then we ain't friends. Bye.
No, wait. Okay, I'll tell you.
I got one question if you ain't gonna tell me.
What is it?
Tell me right now, I'm asking you a question.
Okay, ask me. I'm scared. What you gonna say?
What's this red button do?
I thought I was in trouble.
I said, what does red button do?
Yeah, I thought you was really about to ask me something. I was like, did he just... Okay, I'm gonna give him some time.
So if I marry a black woman, that's what I gotta do?
No. Okay, you talking about you about to be making 6 figures and hopefully she can have a job, which y'all should be doing, and she need to be going to a hairstylist. I'm telling you, I'm not ugly, I'm just broke. They make them like that in Kansas City? No, they don't. Just me. That's not enough glue. That's not enough glue. Okay, see, then once it's all clear, I gotta add another layer. I'm gonna add a blow dryer to it actually a little bit.
Ready to talk some shit? I got the ammunition.
Stop! Not that my birthday coming up. This is wrong timing.
Oh yeah, happy birthday to ya.
Clear, just do it all at once. So yeah, you're basically just repeating that process over and over again until you have completed all 3 layers. Once that 3rd layer has turned clear, then I am going to place that frontal right into that glue.
It turns clear like this. That's how you would know when it's time to apply the lace as much as possible.
Okay, so it's like drying or whatever. All I have to do left that's like gonna be super challenging for me, cut the lace off. I still need to get my, I'm just gonna let it sit for a little bit more. I don't know how long it's supposed to sit, and then I'll talk back to y'all when I'm about to take this off and like cut it and stuff. Okay, so now I'm about to cut the lace off. All right, let me push this back. I didn't leave enough space for the ear tabs. Do I care? No, I don't see anybody. It's Corona still, basically. I don't go anywhere. I'm scared. I got my razor. I don't know if I did this right or not, but I'm proud of myself. I at least tried a frontal. Why did I just holler like that? Okay, I don't know how I'm gonna do this side, like. Okay, I'm gonna lay my scarf, I guess, back down. I think I'm supposed to do baby hairs now. I think, you know, we can always buy another wig if we really need to. I don't know what I'm doing anymore. That is definitely the best job I've cut a lace off, though. For sure. I don't know why I'm letting it sit. I don't know. Let me go watch some more clips in my videos. I'll be back. I've never done baby hairs. I don't even have baby hairs in real life. Like, in real life, Kennedy. I'm just gonna pull it out like this, and then I'll... I think these are the baby hairs I want. I just don't know how to do it. I'm gonna go get my sister. Siri, FaceTime Bailey Boo.
Making a FaceTime call to Bailey Boo.
Thanks. Please come downstairs.
For what?
Okay, I'll just come to your room.
For what?
Bailey, I think I did it. I just need help with my baby hairs. You know, I don't have baby hairs in real life. I don't know how to do this. God, you're so mean to me
They
sometimes.
too long anyway to be doing something.
You said what?
They too long anyway.
I know I need to
be
cut
doing-
them, but I need your help. How short I'm supposed to cut them?
How am I supposed to know that?
How long
I
are
don't
the?
wear wigs. Girl, go on YouTube.
I am, but how long is this supposed? Like, does this look like enough though? Like hair in the
That
front?
look, it's Kennedy. What I'm saying is, it looks like a whole bunch of hair. You really need to go on YouTube because when I do baby hairs, I do my baby hair. Like, girl, go on YouTube.
Do you think it's too much hair?
Go on YouTube.
She was no help. Y'all saw. She's so dang evil. Oh, she evil. I'll need to get taken. Okay, I'm about to go show my sister my hair before I get my baby hairs. So I'll be back, y'all. What's my affirmation? I love who I am. I love who I am. Say it with me, y'all. You love who you are. Because everybody else want to be you. So you might as well love who you are. Because let me tell you, these girls wish they was KB. All these girls want to be KB. They do. Okay, I'm not going to lie to y'all. This is kind of a lot of hair, I think. Shoot, I don't know. You did that? Okay, so I finished it. I haven't done my baby hairs yet. I mean, I cut the baby hairs. Did I do them correctly? I don't know. But I'm about to go to bed. I just watched a movie with my mom. I have not straightened the hair or anything, but I'm actually super proud of it. It looks good to me, especially this being my first time. I literally have never done anything with my hair at all. Like, I don't really do my hair on my own at all. My desk is a mess. I need to look up also how to I even like protect my hair at night. Don't know. So I'm gonna just look up to see how people like wrap their frontals, I guess, to make them like lay down at night, and then put another scarf on top. Then I have my bonnet, so I have like 3 things. But I need to go upstairs to get food to feed my bunny. I need to do that. But yeah, I'll show it to you right now. I'm very proud of it. It's giving me very good. Like, I'm just proud of my hair, you guys. So yeah, but I'm gonna go upstairs and get this bunny food before I forget.